Dear students, welcome again. Let's start doing the exercise of Unit 7. Give the meaning of each word as used in the lesson. Circumstances, halat, situations or conditions. Participant, participate karne wala, a person who takes part in something. Priority, more important. Contest, an event in which people compete. Preceding, coming before something. Excel, to be very good in some activity. Motivation, encouragement for something. And financially means in a way related to money. Explain each phrase as used in the lesson. A long bumpy ride. A long bumpy ride means suppose you are traveling on a road and there are too many bumps and ups and downs and speed breakers. That ride is called a bumpy ride. And when we use this phrase as a proverb, it means a difficult task, a very difficult task to do. Earned the first place, it means got first position. A well-rounded student, as I told you in translation, as there are all-rounder cricketers who are good in batting and in fielding and in bowling. Similarly, a well-rounded student means a student performing well in different areas. Means he is good in studies, he is good in co-curricular activities, and he is very confident and also good in his behavior, along with a group of other students. It means working together. I look forward to it. To wait anxiously. बेचैनी से इंतज़ार करना. Made it this far. Got success. Reading comprehension. Choose the correct option. The last couple of years have been a long bumpy ride for me, as they have for everyone of my age. The underlined phrase means, as I have told you in the previous slide, it means a hard and challenging time. 2. The author thinks he will become a well-rounded student by making good grades in academics, participating in co-curricular activities. Partaking both in academic and co-curricular activities, of course, option C. दोनों में जो अच्छा होगा वही all-rounded student होगा. 3. His summer jobs in the preceding 2 years helped him gain an understanding of independence and responsibility, get financial boost, or make friends. Option A. 4. The author has become more dash because of his job experiences. Well-to-do and prosperous, mature and responsible, social and well-known. This is option B, mature and responsible. Of course, the rest of the two benefits were also on his part, but in lesson we are told that after doing jobs in different institutions, he got mature and responsible. 5. This developing positive outlook has given the author the motivation he needs to become famous, wealthy, or successful. Of course, successful. Answer the following questions. What are some distinctions of the writer? क्या distinctive qualities हैं उसके अंदर which make him different from other people? The writer is a hardworking, intelligent, responsible, and motivated person. He is different in his vision and actions. 2. How has the writer spent his summer vacation? He fully utilized his summer vacation. He did jobs in educational institutions and in a restaurant. 3. What has he gained from his summer jobs experiences? The author gained maturity and a sense of responsibility through these jobs. They prepared him mentally and financially. उसको author को financially aid भी मिली और mentally prepare भी हुआ वो to face the future. 4. How are these experiences helpful to him in future? These experiences will help the author to face the future bravely and confidently because they have made him a mature person. Childish behavior रख के या childish attitude towards life, immature attitude रख के कोई भी future के लिए prepared नहीं हो सकता. So, इन jobs ने author को mature किया जिससे वो prepare हुआ कि future को face कर सके और confidence और courage develop कर सके personality में. 5. What kind of student is the writer? Which of his qualities impress you? The author is an intelligent, hardworking, and responsible student. His practical approach towards life impressed me. This is my personal opinion, as I liked this approach. You might write your own choice, but I liked this quality. And these are the questions from paragraphs, the questions which are written in front of some of the paragraphs in the text. 1. What kind of person is the author? The author is a hardworking, ambitious, and intelligent person. 2. What does the author want to imply by mentioning his co-curricular activities? It means what is his intention by telling us about his co-curricular activities? He wants to make us understand that taking part in co-curricular activities helps students to become responsible, confident, and mature. How has these job experiences made the author more mature? The author gained knowledge of life and learned different lessons from these job experiences, which made him mature. After entering in practical life, one learns much in his life. And so was the case with this author, that after doing these jobs, he got different experiences, life experiences, and which made him mature. 4. What has motivated the author to participate so actively? इतना एक्टिव क्यों था? इतनी मोटिवेशन क्यों थी उसमें? The urge for success was a great motivation for the author. यही motivation थी उसके पीछे. He wants to be a successful person in his life, which urged him to make a constant struggle to achieve his destination. Indefinite pronouns. What are indefinite pronouns? You know, pronouns are the words which are used at place of nouns. And indefinite are those pronouns that refer to a person or a thing without being specific. If we are not sure about the identity of a specific person or thing, the pronoun we use at that place is called an indefinite pronoun. And some of the indefinite pronouns which are commonly used are everything, nothing, anything, anywhere, nowhere, everyone, everybody, somebody, somewhere, or something, and few, many, all are indefinite pronouns. Underline indefinite pronouns in the following sentences. 1. Everybody enjoys a good movie. Everybody means हर कोई. We are not talking about some specific person. So, this everybody is indefinite pronoun. 2. Does anybody have the time? किसी के पास time है? Now this anybody, किसी के पास, किसी खास की बात नहीं हो रही, आम बात हो रही, general. So, indefinite identity के साथ anybody is indefinite pronoun. 3. One sang while the other played the guitar. एक ने गाया, दूसरे ने गिटार बजाया. So this one and other don't have specific identity, वरना उनके names लिए जा सकते थे. So जब indefinite है, unknown है, तो one and other both are indefinite pronouns. 4. Nobody knows the trouble I have seen. किसी को उस तकलीफ का नहीं पता जो मैंने देखी. किसी को भी नहीं. Nobody. So this nobody is indefinite. 5. The secret was known by few. कुछ को secret का पता था. This few, जिसमें से एक अलग अलग proper nouns के तौर पे use नहीं हुए, indefinite identity है, so few is indefinite pronoun. 6. नो, द सीक्रेट वॉज नोन बाय मैनी. बहुत सौ को पता था. वो जो मैनी हैं, बहुत से, they are also used as indefinite pronoun. 7. Mathematics is too hard for some. कुछ के लिए मैथमेटिक्स बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट होता है. दिस सम कोई भी हो सकते हैं. सो 8. Surely you recognize somebody. Somebody यहाँ पे भी चूँकि वो प्रोनाउन एज इंडेफिनिट यूज़ हुआ है, उसकी आइडेंटिटी नोन नहीं है. दैट्स वाई somebody is indefinite pronoun. 9. Is there anything that I can do? मैं आपके लिए कुछ कर सकती हूँ या कर सकता हूँ. Now this anything को स्पेसिफाई नहीं किया कि वो क्या है जो मैं कर सकती हूँ. सिर्फ पूछा है, आम बात की है कि मैं कुछ कर सकती हूँ. जब पता ही नहीं कि क्या कर सकते हैं तो indefinite है. That's why this is indefinite pronoun. Take the verb which agrees with the indefinite pronoun. You know, verb forms are always set according to the subject or noun. So it shows us either it is singular or plural. 1. Each of the family members have one vote. There are many members in a family, but each of them, that each is one, of course. So singular is with has. Each of the family members has one vote. 2. One of the boys eat or eats pizza every week. There are many boys, but one of them. So one is singular, and you know third person singular has s or es in present indefinite tense with verb form. So eats is the right option. 3. Both of the answers is or are correct. Both of the answers, they are two. It means they are plural, and plural is with are. A few of the staff was or were gone today. Now staff is a collective noun, and collective noun is used as singular, but in British English staff is used as plural. There are many collective nouns. Some are considered singular and some are considered plural. And staff, in American English it is singular, but as we follow British English, in British English staff is considered as plural. So a few of the staff में से कुछ, अब staff खुद भी एक plural है और उसमें से कुछ लोग होंगे. Of course they are more than one, so it is were. 5. All of the animals run or runs when they are scared. All of the animals are plural, so run is the right option because runs s is added when there is third person singular. 6. Someone have his own thoughts. Someone, koi. This koi is singular, so has. 7. You know, the others has or have tried this. Others, दूसरे. This is plural, so plural is with have. You know, the others have tried this. Now this is present perfect tense. Fill in the blanks with the present perfect form of the verb given in brackets. Let's revise what is present perfect tense. In this tense, an action is done in near past. The action or verb is done, but in near past. हो चुका होता है past में, but near past में. That is why we consider this time in present. And the rules of this tense are that we use has or have as helping verbs, has with third person singular, and have with all the other, and third form of the verb always. Let's start. 1. How long does he live in Karachi? Now these he/live, we are to adjust this in present perfect tense to fit it in this sentence. So he, that is why we will put has with he and lived is the third form of live. And as this is a question, so right after how long we will add has, and then he, then lived. How long has he lived in Karachi? 2. I dash speak Chinese for 20 years. Now, for is showing that it might be present perfect continuous tense, but we are asked to change these verb forms in present perfect. So we will not go for the present perfect continuous. We will just follow the rules of this tense specifically. And in it, I comes with have, and speak is in third form as spoken. I have spoken Chinese for 20 years. 3. Dash Alia fly in an airplane before. Now this is a question, and in a question we put auxiliary verb or helping verb in the initial position. So Alia is third person singular. We will add has with Alia. Has Alia, and third form of fly is flown. Has Alia flown in an airplane before? 4. Shan dash not go to lunch yet. Shan is third person singular. We will use has with Shan, and gone is the third form of go, and not is at the same place. So Shan has not gone to lunch yet. 5. Our class dash take a field trip 3 times this year. Our class is singular, third person singular. It. So we will add has with this, and taken is the third form of take. So our class has taken a field trip 3 times this year. 6. Where dash they move to? This is a question. So helping verb will come right after where, and they is plural. So we will add have with they. Where have they, and moved is the third form of move. Where have they moved to? 7. Javeria dash ask that question 4 times today. Javeria is third person singular. Has is correct option with Javeria, and asked is the third form of ask. So Javeria has asked that question 4 times today. And your grammar and composition homework for this week is the essay My House. Learn this essay by heart and try to practice it by writing it at least 2 times, so that the quotations in this lesson will be fixed in your memory and you may not feel any difficulty afterwards. So this was your lesson. I hope you have learned some lesson from this chapter. I wish and I pray that you may achieve your goals and reach your destination without too much long bumpy rides, and you may have a comfortable and smooth journey ahead. Good luck.